Hey guys, it's Joost Rijmakers from Level Up. This week, my second collaboration movie with Nick Drossos. It's more about some real life energy drills which you can practice in a safe way to get better in fighting with a blunt weapon. I hope you enjoy my movie. If you do, please visit my channel as well and see if you like more of my content. And I'll see you next week with my third video. So today's practice will be a more live energy drill. So not a lot of coordination, thinking, no, it's just I try to hit him with a stick, he tries to hit me with a stick. And I'll give you some tips. A lot of people when hitting with a stick make the long strikes, because that's what you're used to. When he hits me with a stick, and you see, if I'm not staying at exactly this point, so when he hits me, this point is the point of impact, you will hurt me a lot. But as soon as I move backward or forwards, you will miss. Just keep hitting, no problem. You try to hit me, I'm not letting you. So now he's hitting me because I'm at the distance, he can hit me. So what I want to do when fighting a blunt weapon is close the distance or get away. In this case, we're in a fight, I'm going to close the distance. So he's coming, I'm here. Doesn't matter, even when he tries to keep hitting me. Keep it, close the distance. Okay, now I take the weapon. Now I'm going to do it with him. You'll see, it's a lot harder when you practice stick fighting to grab the stick, because my hand is always in motion. Grab my stick.
Fuck that.
Pretty hard. What's the difference? Is I'm not thinking big haymaker strikes. I'm thinking in, he cannot take my stick. So when I hit and he blocks, I just try to grab it in slow motion. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Come on, grab it. Keep hitting with the stick. A nice exercise to practice with it. We'll take an actual stick. Do not do it with a partner, because when I'm hitting him with this, it's not fun. When you hit a stick, just practice your X. That's our short strikes. But after that, make turning this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Watch. Back. You do it. Down here. So you go 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay? Yeah, very good. I'll take a noodle. And remember the twisting in the wrist. So if I take it, twist it, hit me here, take it there, hit me there. Just so keep moving your stick. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab it. Keep moving it, keep moving, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Down, down, down. So if I go up with my hands, you go down. If I go down, you go up. So always. So again, I'm gonna take the stick. If I'm up, you go down. Down, you go up. Keep it. Yes, with your wrist, with your wrist, with your wrist. Take it. Take it, take it. Don't protect yourself. Take it. You see, it's hard, and a lot of people think a baton is only effective when hitting with the tip and hitting with the tip. And of course, it is. But you can hit it with the tip from all kinds of ranges. Come closer. If I'm here, no, of course I cannot hit it like this, because now I hit with this. But if I'm standing here, you see, I'm hitting with the tip. I'm hitting with the tip. I'm hitting with the tip. If he wants to grab me, I throw away with the tip. Always hit with the tip. So if he's close, bring your weapon hand to the back and hit him here. You see? If he's further away, I put my weapon in front and I hit the hands. For self-defense, if you get hit with a stick on your fingers, it will hurt a lot. So with a pool noodle, no problem. I can hit it on the hands, no problem. If I do it with a stick, training is over. I hope you understand the principle I'm trying to teach you. Next week's lesson will be some more coordination drills, a bit less live energy, but more practice, practical. so you can practice, because when you always do live energy, you get sloppy. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you next week.